Energy is the lifeblood of our universe. It permeates every corner of existence, from the vast expanses of space to the tiniest particles that make up matter. It's the driving force behind every action, every change, and every interaction. Without energy, nothing would move, nothing would grow, and nothing would evolve. From the smallest subatomic particle to the largest galaxy, everything exists in a constant state of energy exchange. This dynamic interplay is what keeps the universe alive and ever-changing. Imagine the vastness of space, filled with swirling galaxies and brilliant stars. Each of these celestial bodies is a beacon of energy, radiating light and heat across the cosmos. All of them are powered by energy. The Sun, our closest star, is a massive nuclear reactor, constantly fusing hydrogen into helium and releasing immense amounts of energy. Now picture the microscopic world where atoms vibrate with incredible speed. These tiny vibrations are the building blocks of all matter, driven by the energy within. This too is energy at work. It's the invisible force that binds atoms together, forming molecules and creating the substances that make up our world. Energy is the invisible force that shapes our reality. It powers our homes, fuels our vehicles, and drives the natural processes that sustain life on Earth. It's what allows us to move, to think, and to create. Every thought, every movement, and every heartbeat is a testament to the energy that flows through us, and to experience the world around us. The joy of a sunny day, the warmth of a hug, and the thrill of discovery are all powered by energy. Without energy, our universe would be a static, unchanging place. There would be no movement, no growth, and no life. There would be no light, no warmth, and no way to sustain the delicate balance of life. No heat, and no life. The world would be a cold, dark, and lifeless void. Everything we know and cherish is a testament to the power of energy. It's the spark that ignites our passions and the force that drives our dreams. It's the foundation upon which the grand symphony of the cosmos is built. Every star, every planet, and every living being is a note in this magnificent composition. Its presence can be felt everywhere, in the bustling city streets, the serene forests, and the crashing ocean waves. Even in the stillness of a quiet room, energy is the silent symphony that orchestrates the dance of life. Energy, much like a master of disguise, can manifest itself in a myriad of forms. It is the invisible force that powers our world, driving everything from the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies. Two of the most fundamental forms are kinetic energy and potential energy. These two types of energy are the cornerstones of physics, helping us understand the mechanics of the universe. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Whenever an object is moving, it possesses kinetic energy. Imagine a speeding comet hurtling through space, or a playful dolphin leaping from the ocean waves. These are perfect examples of kinetic energy in action. These awe-inspiring sights are vivid demonstrations of kinetic energy. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. The faster an object moves, the greater its kinetic energy. This is why a bullet train or a race car, moving at incredible speeds, has so much kinetic energy. The more massive an object is, the greater its kinetic energy. Even a slow-moving elephant or a large cargo ship carries significant kinetic energy due to their mass. Potential energy, on the other hand, is stored energy, poised to be unleashed. It is the energy that an object possesses due to its position or state. Picture a coiled spring, ready to spring back to its original shape. This is a classic example of potential energy waiting to be converted into kinetic energy. Or envision a boulder perched precariously on a cliff's edge, brimming with the potential to tumble down. This potential energy can be transformed into kinetic energy in an instant. This stored energy, like a sleeping giant, awaits the right moment to transform into kinetic energy. Whether it's a dormant volcano or a sunrise over a still lake, potential energy is all around us, waiting to be unleashed. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, energy reigns supreme, governed by an unbreakable law, the law of conservation of energy. This fundamental principle dictates that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. It's a cosmic dance where energy gracefully transitions between its various guises, never disappearing from existence. Think of a swinging pendulum. As it arcs upward, kinetic energy is converted into potential energy, reaching its peak at the highest point. As the pendulum swings back down, potential energy is transformed back into kinetic energy. Throughout this mesmerizing dance, the total amount of energy remains constant, a testament to the unwavering law of conservation. Energy transformations are happening all around us, often in subtle and unseen ways. When we strike a match, chemical energy stored within the match head is converted into heat and light. When we turn on a light bulb, electrical energy is transformed into radiant energy, illuminating our surroundings. Consider the awe-inspiring roller coaster. As the coaster ascends the first towering hill, its kinetic energy is gradually transformed into potential energy. At the crest of the hill, potential energy reigns supreme, momentarily holding the coaster in suspense. Then, as the coaster plunges down the other side, potential energy is swiftly converted back into kinetic energy, propelling the coaster at exhilarating speeds. These everyday occurrences highlight the constant interplay between different forms of energy, a captivating dance orchestrated by the laws of physics. Section 5. Harnessing Energy Real-World Applications. Throughout history, humanity has sought to harness energy to power our civilizations and improve our lives. From the earliest days, we have been on a quest to find new and better ways to utilize the resources around us. From the invention of the wheel, which revolutionized transportation and labor, to the development of the steam engine, which powered the Industrial Revolution and transformed industries, we have continually strived to find innovative ways to utilize energy to our advantage. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point, showcasing the immense potential of harnessing energy on a large scale. Today, our dependence on energy is more profound than ever. Modern cities are illuminated by countless lights, and our daily lives are intertwined with various forms of energy consumption. We rely on electricity to power our homes, our businesses, and our transportation systems. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, energy is a constant presence in our lives. We use fossil fuels to generate electricity, to power our vehicles, and to fuel our industries, and to heat our homes. These energy sources have enabled remarkable advancements but have also led to significant challenges. However, our current energy consumption patterns have come at a cost. The environmental impact is becoming increasingly evident. The burning of fossil fuels releases harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. This has led to rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, and more frequent extreme weather events. It's clear that we need to transition towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly energy sources. Renewable energy technologies, such as solar and wind power, offer promising alternatives that can help mitigate the adverse effects of our current energy practices. Section 6. Embracing renewable energy sources. The future of energy lies in harnessing the power of nature itself. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal offer a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity, providing a clean and abundant energy source. Wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of the wind, transforming it into electricity. Hydroelectric power plants utilize the flow of water to generate electricity, while geothermal power plants tap into the Earth's internal heat to produce energy. These renewable energy sources offer a beacon of hope for a cleaner and more sustainable future. As we continue to develop and refine these technologies, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Section 7. The rise of energy-efficient appliances. In addition to transitioning to renewable energy sources, it's crucial to reduce our overall energy consumption. Energy-efficient appliances play a vital role in achieving this goal. From refrigerators to washing machines, from light bulbs to televisions, advancements in technology have led to the development of appliances that consume significantly less energy than their predecessors. Energy-efficient appliances not only reduce our environmental impact, but also save us money on our energy bills. By choosing appliances with high energy efficiency ratings, we can make a tangible difference in our own lives and in the fight against climate change. It's a win-win situation for both our wallets and the planet. Section 8. Practical tips for home energy conservation. Conserving energy at home doesn't require drastic lifestyle changes. Small, everyday actions can make a significant difference over time. Start by replacing incandescent light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs. Make sure your home is properly insulated to prevent heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Unplug electronic devices and appliances when not in use to reduce phantom energy consumption. Use cold water for laundry whenever possible, and air dry your clothes instead of using the dryer. By incorporating these simple yet effective practices into our daily routines, we can reduce our energy consumption and lower our carbon footprint. Every little bit counts when it comes to protecting our planet. Section 9. A call to action. Empowering an energy-conscious future. The time for action is now. We stand at a crossroads, facing the urgent need to transition to a more sustainable energy future. It's a collective responsibility that demands our attention and commitment. Let us embrace the principles of energy conservation in our daily lives, making conscious choices that reduce our impact on the planet. Let us support policies that promote renewable energy and energy efficiency. Let us educate ourselves and others about the importance of energy conservation. Together, we can create a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable future for generations to come. The power to make a difference lies within each and every one of us.